Today we are going to make a security alarm siren that goes off when someone touches your stuff. While making this creation, you will learn how to set a condition for the infrared ray, how to change LED colors and ring the alarm through the speaker depending on the conditions, and how to write random block codes. So, what do you think you need to make the security alarm siren? You need a network and a battery module for the setup module, an LED and a speaker module for the output module, and an infrared module for the input module. Prepare a basic block from among the accessories. That's all you need. Before we start coding, I will briefly show you the code structure. The default status of the security alarm siren is when the infrared module does not detect anything. In this state, the LED and speaker do not operate at all. When the infrared module detects something, the LED and speaker will sound the alarm. So then, shall we start coding? Run Modi Studio and click New Project. Enter a name for the project and connect Modi to the computer. If you want to know how the infrared module works, click Infrared Module on the module map to open the monitoring window. Bring your hand close to the infrared module, then pull it away from the module. You will see the graph of the proximity changing depending on the distance from your hand. The closer the distance, the higher the proximity value will be, and vice versa. Now, we are going to write a code for the default status of the security alarm siren, which refers to when the infrared module does not detect anything. Drag an if block from the palette to the editor and select Proximity of IR in the condition box. Determine and enter the distance between the infrared module and an object that will activate the security alarm siren. I set less than or equal to 10 for the condition. I have just written a condition code of if the proximity is 10 or below. In this condition, the LED and speaker must be off. So place an LED module under the infrared ray code and select off for basic color in condition box. Drag a speaker module under it in the same way. Select Custom Tune in the condition box and set 0 for the volume. Now we are going to write a code for the siren to sound when the infrared module detects any object. We need to set a new operation condition, so add a new if block. As we did before, select IR in the condition box and set greater than or equal to 10 for the proximity. You have just set the second condition, if the proximity value between the infrared module and an object is 10 or over. In this condition, we will make the LED color change using a random module. Drag 3 random modules from the module box to the module map. place the random modules under the if code and set between 0 and 100 for the random range. Then, drag an LED module under it and select Random 0, Random 1, and Random 2 for R, G, and B respectively in custom color. Next, let's write an if code for the speaker. The alarm sound we know is a repetition of C and E note tones. So first, place the speaker module under the if code and select the C note sound in basic tune. Then, connect a delay block under it and set a condition so that the sound is emitted for 200 milliseconds, or 0.2 seconds. Write a code for the E note in the same way. Now we have finished writing the codes. The LED of the security alarm siren will turn on with random colors when the proximity value between the infrared module and an object is closer than 10. And the speaker will repeat the C and E tones for 0.2 seconds each. Upload all the codes to Modi. Based on the codes you have learned today, make your own inventive creation.
MODI. Modi.